TruCredential software version 7.6 includes several new features. In this set of videos, we discuss two features that can streamline operators' jobs. First, we show you automatic face detection and cropping, which can simplify photo capture. Second, we show you how field-based access can streamline enrollment and searching by restricting access to only the data that is relevant to a particular user. Field-based access is available only in TruCredential Enterprise Edition. We'll walk through the steps to set up these features so that you can start taking advantage of them right away. If you had an earlier version of TruCredential software, after you download and install the software for TruCredential version 7.6, you need to reactivate your product key so that you can take advantage of the new features in version 7.6. Choose Settings from the Settings menu and then click the License tab. Enter your product key in the Product Key text box. Confirm that the checkbox for Product Key has not been activated is selected. Click Activate to update your license with the new features. Organizations that use enrollment stations with a camera in a fixed position will quickly see the benefits of automatic face detection and cropping in TruCredential. This feature allows the user to keep the camera in a fixed position regardless of the subject's height, because it can detect the subject's face with a high rate of accuracy. Facial detection and auto crop significantly reduce the amount of time operators spend in the photo capture process. This feature works on mobile devices as well as on PCs. We recommend following best practices by using an environment with a solid colored background and good lighting. Let's take a look at the cropping capabilities in TruCredential version 7.6. On the left side of the screen, we're looking at the Capture a Photograph tab for an existing workflow. Notice that it displays the two options for capturing from a device or a file. On the right of the screen, we're showing the Workflow Designer for this workflow's photograph element. The Capture Options section provides the cropping options. In this case, no crop box is selected. If we change the option to either Crop Box with Shape of this field or Crop Box with Shape, then the workflow displays the new Crop button, as you can now see on the left side of the screen. The Crop button enables you to manually crop a photo. Looking more closely at the Workflow Designer, above the cropping options, you see the Auto Crop checkbox. When we select Auto Crop, the crop area becomes active with a default value of 100%. What does that value mean? Point your mouse over the question mark to see the cropping range from the tightest crop of 0 to a wider crop of 100%. You can also type a value greater than 100 in the text box. When you set up the workflow, you may want to experiment with the crop area percentages until you find the percentage you like. Let's return to our workflow, which now has the Auto Crop feature selected. We click Capture, and the Auto Crop feature detects the subject's face and inserts the crop photo into the photo field. On occasion, Auto Crop does not detect the subject's face. If this happens, you can manually crop the photo. You can manually crop a photo from a file or a previously cropped photo as well. As you can see, you can streamline your enrollment process with automatic face detection, which simplifies cropping for your credential photos. In the next video, we look at field-based access, which enables administrators of TruCredential Enterprise Edition to restrict access to only the data that is relevant to particular users.